Well, seeing I'm using a Sammy steering column, I don't have a wheel adapter to run my other wheel. I have for everything else. So I'm going to machine my own. Well, I'm going to modify this to work with an aftermarket wheel. I'm not 100% if this is the wheel I plan to use. I might want more dish. But I'm going to work and modify this thing to work with this. Should be fun. Turns out, if you put the nut on backwards, it sits perfectly centered. So at least now I can center my wheel. I'll mark my holes and then drill and tap them. And then we'll see how it all works from there. I think I have some. So, I got this, but I don't really know what it's for. Doesn't look Chevy. Might be Dodge or something. I don't know. Anyways, it's got the bits that I need. I'm going to use this. I'm drilling, tapping for these. This will then fit over top. And yada yada. All the other jazz. Yeah. Okay. Well, I've pre-pilot drilled these, so now I'm trying to find the right size tap to use. Then I'll know what to drill it for. Well, there you have it. I still have to put the horn button and stuff on, but as you can see, it seemed to work out. Well, there it is. Looks like I have to do a bit of trimming here. But now at least I can lower my wheel a bit, I think, with the smaller steering wheel. To get a little more comfortable in here.